In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail account on iPhone. Let's dive right into the process to make sure you can seamlessly manage multiple email accounts on your device. First, open the Gmail app on your iPhone. This is the starting point for adding your new account. Make sure your app is up to date, as having the latest version ensures you have access to the newest features and security updates. Once you have the app open, look towards the top right corner. You will see your profile picture there. Tap on it. This will open a menu with various options related to your account settings. It's like your hub for managing account specifics. After tapping your profile picture, a list of options will appear. From these, choose the option that says Add another account. This is a crucial step because it allows you to bring another Gmail account into your app, helping you manage everything from a single interface. Next up, you'll need to select Google from the list of email providers. This is important because it ensures that you're connecting specifically to Gmail and not any other email service. By selecting Google, you're setting the stage for a smooth integration. Now it's time to sign in with the new Gmail account you want to add. Enter the email address and password for this account. Remember, accuracy is key here, as a small mistake can lead to login issues. Double-check your credentials to avoid any frustration later. Once you've entered your login details, follow the on-screen steps. These steps may include verifying your identity or granting permissions. This is an important security measure to protect your account and data. Always ensure that you follow these prompts carefully to maintain your account's security. With these steps completed, your new Gmail account should now be added to your iPhone's Gmail app. You can switch between accounts by tapping your profile picture again and selecting the account you wish to view. This functionality is especially useful if you manage both personal and professional emails. Adding another Gmail account is not only convenient but also enhances productivity. It allows you to separate different aspects of your life while keeping everything just a tap away. This little effort upfront saves you time and hassle in managing your communications. And that's it. You've successfully added another Gmail account to your iPhone. Notice how simple it is once you get the hang of it. Now managing multiple accounts is as easy as pie. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful in getting your Gmail account set up on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Remember, staying organized with your emails can make a big difference in your daily routine. Until next time, happy emailing.